Hello, I am Vijay, and in this video I am going to show you how you can utilize MCP tools in LangChain4j application. So first of all, I created this LangChain4j MCP client. It is an Spring Boot application. So if I show the build gradle, it's just an simple Spring Boot application, and in this I added the core LangChain4j dependency. Then I'm using Olama as a model provider, so you can use any other model provider like Bedrock or OpenAI if you want, but I'm just running a model on my local, so I'm using Olama. And as part of this video we are going to use a MCP client. I am adding this LangChain4j MCP dependency. After that, and just for your information, like I'm running this Spring Boot MCP server. So if you see, it's running on my port 8080, I believe. Yeah, it's running on my port 8080, and I have configured the path to be API/MCP. So let's start on the client side. So here so if you like go to the LangChain documentation. So if you want to use MCP client with LangChain4j, first of all we need to create a MCP transport. So there are a couple of ways, like either you can use HTTIO. So that is something uh, the server itself will create a process where it will run that MCP server and use HTTIO for the communication. And other way is MCP streamable HTTP and SCC, where a server is running on a remote machine or maybe in a on local host, and you just connect with it just like we do with a typical REST application where we just provide the URL. So we will be going to use this one. So I copied this and created the transport, and I'm just updated this URL to point to my MCP server running on my local. And then I just added this log request and log response, so we can see any request going in and out to the MCP server, so it will be easy for debug. Then we need to create a client, and for this I give it a unique key or something like a math MCP client, because this server basically expose a simple calculator, so LLM can perform any sort of math operation on it. Then you need to build a MCP tool provider and just pass the client that you have created. So just for information, we can create multiple clients. So let's say you have math tool and any other tool, like maybe point connecting to any sort of DB, Elasticsearch, or anything. You can pass multiple MCP client by creating here. And then I'm using this tool provider in my chatbot chat model. So okay, so for that we need a chat model first of all. So for that I am using Olama chat model builder and using this Qn3 4 billion model, or that is running on my local, and the base URL of Olama, which is localhost 11434, and just building it. Then I created this interface with a system prompt that you are a expert math assistant and your task is to answer user query and use math tool for accurate calculation. And for its implementation, LangChain4j provides this AI services where we can pass the assistant class in the builder first parameter, then provide which chat model we want to use. So for that I am injecting the chat model, and it will be going to use the Olama, and I am also injecting the tool provider. So here I am passing the tool provider, so when we make any request to this assistant by invoking the ask method, the LLM also get the list, or basically we also send the list of available tools. So if model want to perform any sort of operation, it can invoke those tools. So let me give a quick demo. So let me just clear these old logs. So I'm running it, and also just to, so I also exposed ask endpoint with a post method. So let's go here and let's say I want to ask, let me just update this to ask what is the sum of 234 and 553, and if I go here, you see it should ask the, it should log request for tool invocation. So just wait because it's on my local, it takes a bit time. So let's, okay, so if you see here, we got the list of tools, actually a tool call request. So we are calling the server with the parameters 234 and 453, which is something we have passed here, and operation is add. And if I go to the server logs, I think we should have, okay, so I do not have logging for it. Okay, but you can see like here the LLM performed the tool and it got result that the sum is 687. And if I go back here, so you can see the response that the user asks for the sum, and I called the calculator function with this parameter, and operation add, the tool response was this. So this is how you can create your own tools or use existing tools exposed by any MCP server with Java and LangChain4j. And that's all I have for this video, but if you have any question, please feel free to post on the comment, and I will share this code with you in the description itself with my code repo. And thank you for watching.